Hi, it's Dr. Nathan here from Cloud Peak Chiropractic and Wellness, and today I want to talk about road trips and how you can save your low back while you're on road trips. It is summer now, and we all want to get out and we all want to drive around, which is awesome. That's the American dream, right? Go around and see things and do things. It's great. But if you know you're going to have back pain while you're traveling around, because back pain and car rides do not go well together, then here's just a few tips for you on how you might save your back while you're traveling around. The first thing you want to do is set yourself up for comfort. If you have anything in your back pockets, phones, wallets, anything, take those out of your back pockets. You don't want to be sitting slightly askew the whole time that you're driving. That puts a lot of pressure on one side of your body versus the other. And then you also, if you're driving, the next tip is to position yourself in a comfortable position. If you try to get as close to the steering wheel as you can, if you're a driver, it takes pressure off your wrists, takes pressure off your elbows, takes pressure off your neck, upper back, especially your low back. Make sure that you're sitting in a good straight position. If you're driving on long distances, the tip here is to use cruise control. What you want is for you to be sitting with your knees slightly higher than your hips, and you want your knees to be at right angles, and you don't want one foot to be ahead of the other or behind the other. It puts stress wherever you're at, twists your body. You want to be flat feet on the ground, right angle with your knees. That's a good position for driving. The best tip that I have for you is to move. When you're in the car, you don't move. So we need to find out, do I need to schedule some stops? What do I need to do to move around? That is my best advice, is to schedule a stop every hour and get out and move around for 10 minutes or so. But all of us, me included, we like to get from here to there and no stopping in between. Let's drive 20 hours, right? So my next best advice is to keep your low back moving while you're not getting out of the car. Is maybe bring a towel with you, or consider some support for the car, anything memory foam or whatever that you can put behind your back and keep it supported. But I don't want you to keep it there. Every 20 minutes to half an hour, take that thing out. It's going to keep your back moving. What you want is motion. You don't want to be in the same position for too long. You can also consider moving the seat if you need to, stretching your legs when you can. Any motion is good motion. Next tip is, if you know you're going to have low back pain while you're traveling, maybe take some ice packs with you. Take a cooler, take some ice packs, stick those on those sore spots as well. Remember, try to keep your back even. Don't put one on one side and sit on it. It's going to put you askew, so remember to keep your back even. And also, with that towel, wrap it in the ice pack so that you don't get burned by the ice pack. Let's see if I had any more tips. No, I think that was it. Oh yes, the last thing that I want to talk about is, we are chiropractors here and we like to keep you healthy. So the next best advice here is come get adjusted before you go on your long trip, and then come get adjusted after you get home off your long trip. Keeps your spine moving, keeps your blood circulation flowing, reduces that muscle spasm that you might get while you're driving. And those are some good tips that I have to reduce back pain while you're traveling, or maybe even prevent it. And if you have any questions, you just come in and ask us, and we are happy to talk about it. Thank you.